Why do we pay fees to send crypto? Is it just a way for blockchain to make money, or there's something deeper behind it? Welcome back to another episode of MetaEarth Academy. I'm Irene, and today we are diving into a topic that every crypto user has faced: transaction fees. You probably noticed that they vary a lot. Sometimes they're just a few cents. Other times they can spike to $100 or more on Ethereum. But why do they exist? Where does that money go? And how are MetaEarth fees cheaper? Let's unpack what transaction fees are and why they are not just necessary but essential to how blockchains function. Imagine a blockchain as a digital city. Every time you send crypto, mint an NFT, or interact with a smart contract, you are using a public infrastructure. And just like in real city, the infrastructure doesn't run itself. Transaction fees are how blockchains pay for their security and keep the network running. Every transaction takes up space on block, and miners or validators need to spend resources to process it: electricity, hardware, bandwidth. So fees serve two key purposes. First, they incentivize network participants, rewarding those who validate and secure the chain. Secondly, they prevent spam. Without fees, someone could overload the network with millions of junk transactions. No fee equal no order equal network chaos. And here's the key difference. Unlike in centralized systems where what you pay goes straight in the pocket of a single company trying to monetize your actions, in blockchain, that fee goes back to the community. It's distributed to the people and machines actually doing the work, consuming energy and securing the network. You are not paying a middleman. You are contributing to a system run by its users. So who actually receives these fees? That depends on the blockchain. On Bitcoin, fees go to the miners, the people running powerful computers that add new blocks to the network. On proof-of-stake chains like Ethereum or MetaEarth, fees go to validators, the nodes that confirm and add transactions to the blockchain. These validators take on the work and the risk of keeping the network decentralized and secure, and fees are their reward. And when you delegate your tokens to a validator, you are helping power the system. You share in those fee rewards too. This is why you get rewards while staking. So every transaction fee isn't just a cost. It's a way to support the infrastructure you're using. Why are some fees so high? If fees are meant to keep things running, why do they sometimes explode during market high? Simple. Block space is limited. And when everyone wants to use the network at once, it's a bidding war. Picture it like this. You are at an airport with one security gate. If it's empty, you walk through. But if 10,000 people show up at once, the ones willing to pay more get priority. That's exactly how it works on blockchain. This is why Ethereum fees were $100 plus during the NFT bull runs in 2021. And it's why newer networks like MetaEarth are built to avoid this. At MetaEarth, we believe transaction fees should support the network without punishing the users. That's why we are building a modular layer 1, where core functions like data availability, execution, and settlement layer are separated. This reduces network congestion and keeps fees predictable and low. Instead of forcing every transaction through one busy highway, modularity lets us spread the load across multiple systems. What does this mean in the practice? Low fair fees, no $50 plus surprises, efficient execution even during high traffic, better scalability as more users join the system adapts. And just like we reward our validator nodes, transaction fees on MetaEarth help fuel local DAOs, community projects, and real-world use cases like identity, UBIs, and governance. So next time you send a crypto transaction, remember, fees aren't just annoying, they are essential. Follow MetaEarth for more crypto education and join a blockchain that puts community and scalability first. See you in the next video.